In this video, we will show you how to install Crystal Report 2021 version using Visual Studio 2019. If you can see, there is no Crystal Report here. Then you need to close first your Visual Studio. Then you can download the newest Crystal Report version SP30 in here, and you can double click. We put link into description for this Crystal Report version. You can download. After you download, you can just install. This version of Crystal Report is support to be used on Visual Studio 2012, 2015, 2017, 2019. Also, you can try on Visual Studio 2022. Please accept the license. You can click next. If you can see there, this is 2021. After installing the application, the Crystal Report will also install the runtimes. Please be patient in this process. After that, please install the 64-bit runtime here, and this is take a few minutes. After that, you can reopen your Visual Studio in here. You can click to create new project, and don't forget, because Crystal Report just support framework version lower 5.0. So in here also you need to choose Windows Phone application that using .NET framework. If you can see there is two version, Windows Phone application and Windows Phone application but using .NET frameworks. Don't forget to select this. You can click next, and in here it's use .NET framework 4.7.2. okay, and you can click create. If you're using Windows Phone app but don't using framework, you will cannot see the Crystal Report. Then you can try to open your toolbox. This is still initial sign. Then we can, after open, can click OK this. After open the toolbox, we can find the reporting. This is the reporting, and this is Crystal Report with the newest version. If you cannot see the Crystal Report, first you can try to click your projects and choose properties. Make sure you enable the target framework 4. Because if you are using 5.NET framework, it cannot be done. Until now, .NET framework just support in .NET framework 4 points. Then if you cannot see the Crystal Report in here, you can also can verifying using right click and choose item, and in the .NET framework components This is need time. You can filter with crystal and make sure the crystal report in here is enabled. Then you can see the crystal report viewer in here. And that's tutorial how to install Crystal Report 2021 using Visual Studio 2019. This also can be installed in the lower version and in the newer version in Visual Studio 2022. Hope this video helpful for you.